HITBOX HBMC270 Aluminum Welder, a powerful and versatile 6-in-1 welding machine engineered for professionals, workshops, and serious DIY users who demand performance, flexibility, and precision in one complete system. This advanced multi-process machine combines MMA, stick, gas MIG, gasless MIG, HF TIG, spot welding, and plasma cutting, making it a true all-in-one solution for a wide range of metalworking applications. Whether you're fabricating, repairing, or cutting metal, the HBMC270 delivers reliable and consistent results across every task. Powered by a robust 220-volt system with up to 270 A output, this welder provides strong arc stability and deep penetration, allowing you to work efficiently on both thin materials and thicker metal structures. It supports a wide range of metals including aluminum, stainless steel, carbon steel, copper, and alloy steel, making it ideal for automotive work, industrial fabrication, and general repairs. One of its standout features is the integrated plasma cutting function, delivering clean and precise cuts with impressive efficiency. It can handle cutting thickness up to around 12 mm cleanly and even more for maximum cuts, giving you both welding and cutting capabilities in a single compact machine. The HBMC270 also features intelligent synergic control, automatically adjusting voltage and current based on your selected parameters. This makes it extremely user-friendly for beginners, while still offering manual control options for experienced welders who want full customization and precision. For aluminum welding, the machine includes pulse MIG technology, allowing better heat control, reduced spatter, and cleaner weld seams. This ensures high-quality finishes while minimizing distortion on sensitive materials. Designed for efficiency and comfort, it comes with 2T, 4T trigger modes, pre-post gas settings, and adaptive crater control, features that enhance workflow, reduce fatigue, and improve weld consistency during long sessions. Safety is also a priority, with built-in protections against overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overload, ensuring durability and long-term reliability even in demanding environments. Despite its powerful capabilities, the HBMC270 maintains a compact and portable design, making it suitable for workshops, garages, and on-site jobs where mobility and space efficiency are essential. Whether you're a professional welder, a fabricator, or an advanced hobbyist, the HITBOX HBMC270 is built to deliver power, versatility, and precision, all in one machine. One machine, 6 functions, unlimited possibilities.